Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to update the payment settings in your Google Ads account and why keeping this information accurate is so important. In this video, I'm going to be covering how to update the payment settings in your Google Ads account so you can see with this ads account the payment setting needs fixing if you go into Tools and Settings, and then Billing Summary, and if you go to Payment Methods in the left-hand side, you can then add a new payment method, and then your account should start working again. Keeping your billing details updated ensures that your ads continue running without interruptions, prevents failed transactions, and helps maintain a smooth advertising experience. It also improves account reliability, supports accurate financial tracking, enhances campaign consistency, reduces downtime risks, and ensures compliance with platform requirements. Businesses that regularly review their payment settings often experience fewer disruptions, better budget control, improved campaign performance, stronger account stability, and more predictable ad delivery across different markets and audiences. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.